Hey guys, Jack Gleason with Startuptrading.com, and in this video you are going to learn how I use the Startup Trading Trend Indicator and how you can use it too for anybody in my trade room. You can see this on my screen, and for anybody who's not in my trade room, you can have access to this indicator as well. So what it does is it basically, one of the things that I really look for is confirming a low. We all have, what do we all want to do? We want to be on the right side of the trend, and one of the things I use to confirm that I'm going to be trading on the right side of the trend is to look at what side these dots are, specifically on the 5-minute chart. So as we were trading down here at 10 o'clock, we had a break lower, and the bullish, which is these, when they're light blue, it's technically a little bit of a bullish trend, but when we break trend like we did at 10 o'clock, they flipped to pink. And we were making new lows here, and it was kind of hard to pick a bottom. If you had tried to buy any levels, you basically were just getting stopped out. But what I was saying in the room was we needed to see a blue dot. And at 10:35, we'll go back in the room here, I said need to see those pink dots turn blue. Haven't seen them since 9:55, and that was at 10:31. And then right after that, there you go. Now we can trade off the bottom at 10:45. So at 10:45, that was right here. This bar had closed at 10:45. That turns this blue, and then we basically went straight up. Now, if you get long on a pullback or whatever mechanism you're using to get long, you're buying in extensions, maybe if you're a trend line trader or whatever, you're buying a breakout. The thing that's really helpful for me is trailing these dots and being patient to hold on to winners, because you can see when they turn blue here at 10:45, blue, 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 all the way up, blue, 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 blue. They did not go pink until 1:15. Okay, basically 1:15 is when you would have said, oh, okay, well now we're getting weak, look for an exit, which means that's all the way up at 82s. From the bottom here, when we turned blue, that was at 44, so that's almost 40 points, and that trend is really, really strong. We turned pink, we got a pullback into what was actually an extension, we turned pink, and then when we turned blue, boom, double bottom, and then we just rotate up basically into the end of the day. But you can see, once again, I'm just going to continue to give you guys examples. Hopefully you like this video. This is on my screen all day. If you want this indicator, I am releasing it to 10 people for 50% off, and then I'm launching a course on it at the end of August. So it's $199 right now. You can shoot me an email, contact@startuptrading.com, or hit me up in the trade room and just ask me for access while I'm building the course. Anybody, or the first 10 people that want to get in it, are going to get 50% off, and I'm going to ask you any questions that you have with the indicator to give to me so I can build course material around those questions. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys later. Take care.